My name is Normand Voyer. I'm a chemist and professor of chemistry at Université Laval in Quebec City, Canada. I am a synthetic chemist by training, and I'm really interested by natural product chemistry. So what we're interested in is identifying novel compounds from natural sources, and then we're interested of synthesizing these compounds in order to study them in different biological activities. I stumbled into maple syrup chemistry when there was a paper that caught my attention, which was the identification of a new polyphenol in maple syrup, which was coined Québécois. Then I knew I had to do something about Québécois. So we got our group together and decided to work on the synthesis of larger amounts of Québécois in order to study that very interesting compound, which is unique to maple syrup. The fact that we're chemists, we've been able to synthesize and get access to a larger amount of Québécois than the original scientists that identified it. We have been able to team up with different scientists around the world. Most importantly, one of my colleagues that is a very good scientist to measure the anti-inflammatory activity of natural product. And so working with Dr. Daniel Grenier, we've been able to demonstrate that Québécois has some very interesting anti-inflammatory activity. Recently, we have been involved in optimizing the synthesis of Québécois because there's a very large interest, and several scientists have contacted me to get more of that very interesting compound. Unfortunately, our synthetic approach is not very efficient. So recently we've been working to improve it in order to produce larger amounts. We're interested in producing 100 grams and even kilograms of Québécois, so it can find application in as nutraceutical, pharmaceutical, and even cosmeceuticals potentially. The interest we have right now is, can we improve the activity of Québécois by making derivatives of it or analogs of it? Just like salicylic acid is a very good anti-inflammatory agent, but acetyl salicylic acid, aspirin, is even better. So we think by modifying Québécois with subtle derivatives, we can improve its properties and potentially end up bringing values to maple syrup.